I'm trying to tell you, man, this is just so good. This lettuce wrap. I mean, just look at that cheese on top. You can just eat it like this. I'm trying to show you these quick and easy meals to make to help you stay on track. This is just this whole bowl packed with 90 grams of protein. Tastes amazing. You have to try this one. You're gonna like this one. Let's go. Check out how I turn this can of chicken into 90 grams of protein. If you're trying to get more protein in your diet, I got you covered. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn this can of chicken into 90 grams of protein that you can have for lunch or dinner, it don't matter. And I'm also gonna show you what I have for breakfast to get you about 130 grams of protein. That's something that you're looking to do, I got you covered. So check this out. Let's go over these ingredients real quick. All right, so let's move in here a little bit closer to the ingredients. Let me show you what to make. What we're gonna make is like a buffalo chicken dip that you're gonna put in the oven. However, there's plenty of different ways you can have it. So I'm gonna show you the exact ingredients I use to get 90 grams of protein in this one meal, okay? And you're gonna wanna keep this one in rotation because it is good, I'm trying to tell you. First of all, of course, we're gonna start off with our chicken. Now I get these at Costco, okay? So you can buy just chunk chicken in a can. Now this one can right here is about 45 grams of protein. These things are amazing. Keep them in the pantry. They are super easy to use. You can use them on salads. You can use them in plenty of different meals, okay? So keep these right here in stock. I'm also gonna go with the cottage cheese because you know I love cottage cheese. So I'm gonna use half a cup of cottage cheese. Yogurt I'm gonna use is a fat-free yogurt. 1 serving of yogurt. And what I'm gonna do is just blend everything up to make the sauce first, okay? So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, so I always recommend you measure everything out. So what I'm gonna do here is half a cup or 113 grams of cottage cheese. And if it goes over a little bit, it's all good, a little more protein, right? Then what we're gonna use is 1 serving of the yogurt. I'm just gonna put 170 grams of yogurt in there. Pop the top on that yogurt. We're gonna blend it up real quick. All right, there we go. So this is what it's gonna look like afterwards. What it's gonna turn into is like a cream. Hopefully you can see that, okay? Look, it's not gonna fall out. So it's kind of a creaminess. We're gonna mix this into the chicken with the rest of the seasonings. Let me show you the seasonings we're gonna use. Okay guys, for the seasoning, what we're gonna use is a little bit of ranch seasoning. Keep this in stock. You're gonna be using this a lot. I love using this. It is so good. I'm gonna throw a little garlic on there. You don't have to, this is optional. Flavor God's garlic is really good as well. And this is optional as well, but I always like adding some heat, man. This is the way to do it. This is the way I do it. Frank's red hot. If you want a little extra hot, they also got an extra hot one there. Come on now, if you know about Frank's, you let me know in the comments because Frank's is great. All right, so we're gonna just use about 2 tablespoons of this, not too much, but it just gives it great flavor. Now, if you don't want it spicy, then don't add this, but I like adding a little bit of spice to mine, all right? And then what we're also gonna add eventually is some cheese. Now this is 1 serving of cheddar cheese off the block, 1 serving of mozzarella cheese shredded off the block, all right? So you can use a fat-free cheese. This is full fat cheese. You can use a fat-free cheese as well. So of course that'll knock the fats down. If you're trying to watch your fats in your diet, go with the fat-free cheese. So we're gonna use this in a second. Let me show you. Okay, now in the bowl, what I have is the chicken. What I like to do is just chop up the chicken a little bit. Makes it a little bit easier to mix everything when you chop everything up. So in the chicken, now we're gonna add our mixture of cottage cheese and yogurt into the chicken. There it is. Make sure you get it all in there. Now we're gonna hit it with a little ranch seasoning. There it is. I'm gonna hit it with a little garlic. I'm gonna go with the Frank's Red Hot. It's optional, but I highly recommend if you want some flavor and get a little spice. Come on now. I'm putting in 2 tablespoons. All you're gonna do now is just mix that joker up. You can use this as a dip if you want to. I'm gonna put it in the oven. And now I'm trying to tell you, this joker is gonna taste good, all right? What we're gonna do, we're just gonna add it to an oven-ready dish. Ooh, but it already smells good. There you have it. This is what's gonna go in the oven, but first we gotta put the cheese on top now. All right, so let's go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of this cheese on top. This is gonna be so good, I'm trying to tell you. You're gonna keep this one in rotation. All right, there it is. Now this is gonna go in the oven, 375 for about 15 minutes. I don't have to go in too long, so I'm gonna put this in the oven real quick. Now one of the easiest breakfasts I have on repeat, the reason why is because I keep these items in stock and I want you to do the same. Just go find you these right here. These Sola bagels, I talk about them all the time, okay? These Sola bagels, they're packed 29 grams of fiber, all right? If you're looking to get your fiber each day, these right here will almost get you there. 29 grams of fiber to start your morning out. 14 grams of protein, you cannot beat that, okay? Now what I like to have with the Sola bagel is to make it easy, I usually just go with some type of yogurt. I go with the ratio yogurt, which has 25 grams of protein in it. And you have it just with the Sola bagel. It's easy, super easy. If you don't have time to cook in the morning, you gotta have easier options, okay? So Sola bagel with the ratio yogurt, whatever your favorite kind of yogurt is, just keep those in stock, especially these small containers that make it simple, grab your spoon, you're good to go. Now the Sola bagel, I found it tastes great is this hot honey right here, okay? So put a little hot honey on the Sola bagel, not too much. Put a little bit on there if you want some spice. If not, use regular honey. You can use cream cheese, whatever fits into your personal nutrition, roll with that. I like to roll with hot honey because I like a little spice to it. Now, if you don't like that, that's totally fine. The good thing about these bagels is they're so soft. A lot of times, obviously, look, the bag's empty. This is my last one. I take these with me. I have them sometimes before the gym, after the gym. You can have them any time of day. You need a snack in the afternoon, grab your Sola bagel. You don't even need to heat it up. This is the blueberry flavor. Let me know if you like Sola bagels and what's your favorite flavor. They have a couple different flavors, or you can get the plain one as well. But this is the blueberry one. It is amazing. Keep these with you in stock. I travel around with me. I'm always on the go. I'm always running around, and I need to have some snacks. I need to stay ready. Grab you some Sola bagels. This is a great way to stay ready, all right? So let me know if you get down with Sola. It's such a great breakfast option. Have this with your yogurt. You're good to go, all right? You're starting out your morning, tons of fiber, and it's just all around. It tastes great, all right? And it'll keep you on track, and you'll get your protein. It's a win all the way around. Yeah, buddy, check that out. Look, I just pulled it out of the oven. Man, that joker, look at that. Can y'all see that? Woo, buddy, come on now, it's looking good. Yeah, check that out. Woo, buddy, look at that. Come on now, you see that cheese? A couple different ways you can have this, but look at that. You can just eat it like this, right out the bowl. Let me show you a few ways you can have this dip. Now, one thing you can do is just have it just as a dip. If you're gonna go with chips, I go with Quest protein chips. You don't have to go with Quest protein if you don't want to, it's up to you. I like Quest protein, 19 grams of protein in one bag. That's just more protein on protein, let's go. But these are the pizza flavor, you ever seen those? If you like Quest chips, what's your favorite flavor? I like the pizza flavor. Pizza is really good. You know what to go good with this? Quest also has a buffalo, I think it's a buffalo ranch flavor. Man, that'll taste great with this, all right? But this is all I have in stock. So you can go this route. Another route is a lettuce boat, especially if you're trying to keep it low carb. These are great, all right? So let's fill one of these up. Put a little bit in there. So the good thing about this meal right here is that this can be a lunch and dinner, all right? You don't have to eat this entire bowl in one sitting. That's 90 grams of protein. Look at that right there. Look at that lettuce boat. It's a buffalo chicken lettuce boat. Come on now. Whoa, that is good. Yeah, buddy. Now, my next favorite way to have them is with these right here. I talk about these a lot, these low carb tortillas. You don't have to get low carb tortillas if you don't want to. I like them. They're super soft. This right here is the jalapeno flavor. Man, these jokers are good. Now we're gonna put in this. So let's scoop a little bit out, spread it on there. Try this out, come on. Wow. Come on now. There you have it. The buffalo chicken, man, you can't beat this. Like I said, it goes in the oven for about 15 minutes. You're basically just melting the cheese and heating it up. All right, it is so good. I showed you 3 different ways you can have it. So this right here is gonna be 560 calories, 91 grams of protein. Come on now. 9 grams of carbs and around 19 grams of fat or so. So if that fits your personal diet, come on, you cannot beat that. Now, once again, you don't have to use regular cheese. If you're going lower fat, use a fat-free cheese. That'll work out as well too, okay? It's a low carb meal. You can have it just like this. So it's great for a low carb diet. If you're not low carb diet, not a problem. You can put this Joe with some rice and it'll taste great as well, okay? Now with that breakfast I showed you with the Sola bagel, the ratio yogurt, that was 280 calories, 39 grams of protein, 16 carbs, around 7 grams of fat. So total, if you're using the breakfast and this right here, it's 840 calories, 130 grams of protein, 26 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbs, and 29 grams of fiber. That's a breakfast, a lunch, and a dinner. Okay, so you can have the lettuce wraps for lunch and the tortillas for dinner, or you can have the dip for lunch and the lettuce wraps for dinner, however you want to roll. Whatever fits into your personal nutrition, you roll like that, all right? I'm just trying to give you more ideas you can use to get more protein into your diet. I got you covered on that. I'm trying to tell you, this joker is good. You need to go try this. It is so simple to make, and it only takes a few ingredients, and it tastes great. Try this meal out. Let me know how you like it. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna make this, if you're gonna add this into your routine. I think you will, because it is good. I'm about to finish this. Come on now.